Hello, welcome back to our Russian reading lesson. If you are learning Russian, reading can look difficult at first. Russian letters look new, Russian words look long. But today I want to show you something important. Russian reading is logical, Russian reading is honest. In most cases, you read exactly what you see. Today we will read a real Russian words and prepare to read a real Russian text about everyday life and work. We will go slowly, step by step. You don't need to remember grammar. Your only job today, read and listen. Let's begin. First, we need to warm up. In Russian, reading starts with syllables. A syllables is a consonant and a vowel together. Look at the screen. This is a one sound group. Read with me. Ma. Again. Ma. Now let's read several syllables slowly. Ma, mo, mu. Again. Ma, mo, mu. In English, letter can be silent. In Russian, letters are not silent. You see a letter, you read it. This is a good news. Now let's read another group. Na, no, nu. Again, na, no, nu. Now pause the video and read the syllables one more time by yourself, slowly and clearly. Then come back. Good. Now we move from syllables to words. In Russian, words are just syllables together. No magic. Look at the screen. When we read them together, we get mama, mother, mama, and again, mama. Now look here. Papa, father, papa, and again, papa. These words are short, they are easy to read. Russian use many short, clear words. This helps beginners. Now, read with me. Mama, papa. Again, mama, papa. Before we read the text, we must understand the key words. If you know the words, the text is not scary. Let's start. Anna, Alexei. These are common Russian names. Anna, Alexei. Жить, to live, жить, жить. Живут, they live, живут, живут. Квартира, apartment, квартира, квартира. Read with me. Утро, morning, утро, утро. Утром, in the morning, утром, утром. Днем, during the day, днем, днем. Вечер, evening, вечер, вечер. Работа, work, работа, работа. Работает, works, работает, работает. Дом, home, дом, дом. Дома, at home, дома, дома. Еда, food, еда, еда. Готовит, cooks, готовит, готовит. Магазин, store, магазин, магазин. Покупает, buys, покупает, покупает. Продукты, groceries, продукты, продукты. Ужинают, have dinner, ужинают, ужинают, вместе, together, вместе, вместе. Now let's read some key words again. Квартира, работа, дом, магазин. Again, квартира, работа, дом, магазин. You don't need to remember form. You don't need grammar today. Your goal is simple. See the word, read the word, understand the meaning. Good! Now we take the next step. We move from single words to words together. This is very important. Reading Russian is like walking. Now two words together. Look at the screen and read with me. Анна и Алексей. Анна и Алексей. В квартире. In an apartment. В квартире. В квартире. In Russian, words often change a little. Don't worry about that now. Just read calmly now. Read this. Утром Алексей. Утром Алексей. На работу. На работу. Дома Анна. Дома Анна. Again, slowly. Утром Алексей. На работу. Дома Анна. Now pause the video and read these word groups again, one by one, then come back. Great, now we are ready for sentences. A sentence is just a word with a full idea. Let's start. Read with me, slowly. Анна и Алексей живут в квартире. Анна и Алексей живут в квартире. You don't need to understand every form. You understand the idea. Anna и Алексей live in an apartment. Анна и Алексей живут в квартире. That is enough. Now this one. Утром Алексей идет на работу. Again. Утром Алексей идет на работу. Not something interesting. Russian sentences often starts with time. Morning, evening, day. This helps the story feel clear. Read. Анна остается дома и готовит еду. Анна остается дома и готовит еду. Now read the three sentences again. Анна и Алексей живут в квартире. Утром Алексей идет на работу. Анна остается дома и готовит еду. Then a little faster. Анна и Алексей живут в квартире. Утром Алексей идет на работу. Анна остается дома и готовит еду. Now comes the best moment. You are ready to read the whole text. Remember, read calmly, read forward. Let's read together. Анна и Алексей живут в квартире. Утром Алексей идет на работу. Анна остается дома и готовит еду. Днем Алексей работает. Вечером он идет в магазин и покупает продукты. Дома они ужинают вместе. Now read again, a little smoother. Анна и Алексей живут в квартире. Утром Алексей идет на работу. Анна остается дома и готовит еду. Днем Алексей работает. Вечером он идет в магазин и покупает продукты. Дома они ужинают вместе. Stop for a second. You just read a real Russian text. This is not a textbook line. This is a real Russian. Now let's check the meaning. Reading is not only sound, reading is understanding. Listen to the English translation. Anna and Alexei live in an apartment. In the morning, Alexei goes to work. Anna stays at home and cooks food. During the day, Alexei works. In the evening, he goes to the store and buys groceries. At home, they have dinner together. Now think about these questions. Where is the Anna in the morning? Yes, she is at home. Where is Alexei in the evening? Yes, he goes to the store. You understand the text. This is success. Today you did a great job. You didn't just read words, you read a story. Remember this feeling. Russian reading is not about talent. It is about steps, small steps every day. Read a little, read slowly, move forward. Thank you for learning Russian with me. See you soon. Пока!